Welcome students. Now let us continue with our lesson number 9, Introduction to HTML. Video 1. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is a markup language used to create web pages and web applications. It consists of several elements that are combined to form a structure of a web page. These elements are symbolized by tags. HTML tags comprise of headings, tables, paragraphs, and many more. These tags allow you to create sections, paragraphs, headings, and links for web pages and applications. Every web page on the internet is written in HTML code. Now, let us start the study of structure of HTML code. An HTML document starts with HTML tag and ends with HTML/HTML tag. The structure of an HTML consists of two parts. One is the header section, body section, and there is also a footer section. Now in the head section displays the title, which describes the information of the document. The text written in this section is not visible on the web page. The only title tag is required between the head tags. Here is a head tag, here is a head tag, and title tag is just in between the head tag. Okay. Now title is displayed on the tab of the browser of the page. Now body. The body section contains of contents of the document you want to display on the web page. So here will be the body part which you want the text or the contents to be displayed on the web page. While the third is the footer section, which closes the body and closes the HTML. Now let us write our first program, Hello World, in Notepad. So let us go to Notepad first. Now here we are going to write our HTML tags. I have made a few files so that it saves time for me. So this is for Hello World. I'll open it for you. Now see how I have written. To begin with, you have to write HTML. Please write everything in capital. At least the tags part you're supposed to write in the capital. So HTML, head, then title. The title is writing a Hello World program. / title, you close the title. Then as you start the head, you have to close the head. In the body, I have written Hello World. Then I have closed the body by writing there /body and then /HTML to close this. After this, I have saved it. I have to go to save as, and here I have saved it as .html. I have saved it as .html. Now I'll just change it to Hello World. Maybe I'll add one more thing here. Hello World 1 .html. Okay, and I'm going to save it. Okay, it has been saved. Now let us run and check out whether it runs. Okay, so we'll close this here and we'll go to File Explorer. In my File Explorer, I'll go to the documents and I will check out for this particular file called as hello world.html, and there you have all the files running. And let us go to hello world. There it is. Okay, now here I'll right click and I will say I'll choose another app. I'll open in one of the browsers. Okay, I'll open in more apps. Where are the browsers? We'll check the browsers. Who are the browsers? Either Internet Explorer or Google Chrome. Okay, and I can see Internet Explorer here. I'll just go and open it here. Okay, and in the Internet Explorer, my hello world 1.html will open up and I can see the hello world part here. Okay, instead what I'll do is I'll just go back, I'll close all the tabs. I have made all those programs here, saved them as a .html, and let me open it from here. It'll open in one of the browsers. So there you see hello world, right? So I've opened it where? In the browser. You have two browsers, either Google Chrome or Internet Explorer. So there you get your hello world program. Okay, the same way I have written few more programs, like I have another program written here which tells you about comments, how to write comments. So for that, same thing I'll show you in Notepad how I have written it. In Notepad, same program, start with HTML head, write the title, writing a hello world program, hello world, and this is a comment, is something which I have written here. So in this way you can add a comment. See what you are supposed to do. You put a less than greater than symbol, you have this exclamation, you have these two dashes, then you write this is a comment, then again two dashes, and you close your tag using a greater than sign. Okay, now with why do you write comments in the first place? So we need to write the comments if the program is too long, the code is too long. See, comments are used to specify the purpose of codes. If you have a very long code, then only you use this comment part. Okay, anyways, it just doesn't appear in your program, it's just a comment. Okay, now let's move ahead and let us move on to uh, writing one more program which has got all the paragraphs, breaks, hairlines, and all other things. So for that, we'll go to this tags. I'll show you. Let me open this with Notepad first. See how I have written. I started with HTML, head, title, slash title. Now the title is the white elephant. Then the head part is closed. The body starts. So this P here, the tag P is for paragraph. Here the paragraph starts. Once upon a time there lived a herd of 80,000 elephants at the bottom of the majestic Himalayas. Then I have given a break here. This is a paragraph break. BR is meant for paragraph break. One more tag called as HR. It gives a hairline. Okay. Now their leader was a magnificent and rare mother who had grown blind and feeble and could not look out for herself. Again we've given a break here, again a hairline. Then we start with another para saying each day this white elephant would go deep into the forest in search of food. He would look for the best of wild fruit to send to his mother. But alas, his mother never received any. And we close our paragraph here. We have a body closure here. Body starts here with slash body. We are going to close that body. HTML we start here and we end the HTML by slash HTML here. Okay, now this was our notepad file. Then we saved it as HTML and now we'll open it with either Google Chrome or Internet Explorer, however you want to open. Now this time I'm opening it in Google Chrome. So look how it comes. There it is. Once upon a time, all that has come. There is a hairline, there's a break, hairline, paragraph, and this is the third line. So this is the kind of output. Now the white elephant, the title part, is come over here. Okay. The head doesn't show, but the title does shows on the browser window. Okay. So this is the output of the HTML tags we just used. Okay. Now let us move further and let us do some more formatting in the tags. Okay. Now what is that formatting that I have done? I'll show you. Let's go to Notepad, check it out. Like what is it like? Same paragraph, hmm, the same elephant wala paragraph I have taken, and here I have used italics and bold. For this once upon a time I have used a tag wherein this text will become bold. So for that I have used a tag B. Okay, then I have closed that bold tag using /B. Okay, and here this particular text I have taken as italic. Okay, so italics is started here, italics is ended here, and then this particular line I wanted underlined, so I used a tag called as U, uh, and then with /U I have closed it, started a paragraph here, closed the paragraph here, started the body here, closed the body here. You start an HTML here, you have closed your HTML here. Now this is how I have added a few more additional tags to improvise on my paragraph with little more interesting tags like bold, italics and underline. Okay, now I'll close this here and let us open this in the browser. Let's see how it looks. Let's go to the Google Chrome. Now this once upon a time there lived a herd of 80,000 elephants. Now this has come into bold. Then the leader magnificent and all that has come in italics, and this line has come in underline. So these were some special tags which I used to improvise my text as to how it is going to look on the browser window. Okay, so close this and come out of this. Now let us add some font size and color to this. Okay, now for that, what are the extra things that I have done? I'll show you here. Okay, now uh, okay, what I have done, HTML head, changing the font size and color. Then I have took the body part, font size I have decided as font size is equal to 20, font color is equal to purple. Hello world, this is a color for text, /font, /body and /HTML. And in this way I have, you know, closed all the things that I have started font here, font size, font color. Let us see when we run this how it really comes out. So let us open this with the Google Chrome and let's see how's the output. So this is come hello world, this is a colorful text, right? So font color I had taken as purple and font size I had kept as 20, and so is the output. You see the output? Okay, so let's move a little further. Let us change the font face of it now. For that, again, let's open this. I've already written the program. It's there in Notepad. Okay. Now, as usual, you have to start with HTML. You write your head here, title, changing the font size and color is my title. Then I close the title saying /title. There is head. Then the body starts. Font size I have kept as 20. Now this time the font color I have used as red. Hello world. This is a colorful text. Now /font, and I give a break. So this part is over. Then I change the font face. The font face is what? The fonts that we change generally when we use Word or Excel or PowerPoint. You must have seen that we have host of fonts. We have so many fonts available with us. So now let us change the font face. So this time I've taken as sans serif. which is like a size of 14. The wisdom of Birbal was unparalleled. And again, I have font as I've started here. I have closed the font by slash font. Then I have given a break. Again, I have taken another font face, which is Times New Roman. This time taken the size as 16. I have written one more line. He gave 300 gold coins to him. And as I started font here, I have to close the font here by slash font. Then, as the body was started here, I have to close the body slash body. HTML, you have to close it with a slash HTML. And in this way, we have written our program in Notepad. Okay. So all these HTML tags we write in Notepad. Now let us close this. We have saved it as fontface.html. I have saved it here, and let me open it with Google Chrome and see how it looks. And this is how it looks. Hello world. This is a colorful text. See now, the wisdom of Birbal is unparalleled has come on a higher font. This was 14, this was I think 16, and then this font is sans serif, and this font is Times New Roman. He gave 300 gold coins to him. So this font I had used as Times New Roman. So in this way, we have covered almost 5 to 6 HTML programs. Okay, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I go. It's about 7 programs that we've written, and we've you know placed it on the browser to check out as to how they look. Okay. So with this, we come to the end of this chapter. Okay, there's one more thing left, I think, heading tags. So let us see the heading tags. Okay, let's go to the notepad. Okay, and see. I have used few headings here. HTML head, title, slash title. In title, I have written as displaying heading. Then comes slash head, body. Now H1 Monday. This will come in a bigger font. Heading. H2 Tuesday. Start H2, close H2. Start H3, close H3. H4, close H4. H5, then slash H5, H6, slash H6. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday is what we've written, and these all will come in different headings with different sizes. We started the body here, we've closed the body here, and we've closed the HTML. We started here, and here we've closed the HTML. And now let us see how it looks. Okay, how it looks in the browser. Let us open it with Google Chrome, and let us see how it looks. Right, Mondays come up very high, bold, H1. This is H2, this is H3, H4, H5, and H6. So this was another program which we have seen. This was meant for headings. Okay, so in this way we've almost covered the portion here. All right, let's close this. With this, we come to the end of this chapter, Introduction to HTML. I am also sending you the answers for the exercise of this lesson. Please solve them in the textbook, or if it doesn't fit in the textbook, you write it in the notebook.